Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be making a strawberry cake. So first I just opened the mix, poured it in a bowl. Now I'm adding a cup of water, 3 eggs. Now I'm going to be adding 1/3 cup of butter, then some vanilla extract. Okay, so now it's time to mix it up. So I'm just mixing it up really well. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit the like button. So while I was mixing it, I was thinking, what should I put inside? So I thought about some strawberries. So I'm going to be using these sliced strawberries. I just cut them up in small pieces and added them in. Then mixed it up again. So now I just got a pan, put some butter in it. Now I'm just pouring the mix in. Then I'm going to be putting it in the oven. Y'all, it's smelling so good already. I was just like, I want a strawberry cake, so let me just make it. Okay, so now that it's done out the oven, I'm just putting the strawberry frosting on top. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see when I post. So now I'm just going to be adding some sliced strawberries on top. So once I was done, I just went ahead and put it in the refrigerator for like 30 minutes. And then I took it out. Now I'm just going to cut me a piece. Oh my God, it's so soft, y'all. Look how it came out. It looks so good, right? Make sure you hit that like and subscribe.